Y'all ready for this? Science rock.
Rocks are science.
In 1869, Dmitri Mendeleev seldom did he leave the chemistry industry till one day he released his table masterly, presenting the elements.
The elements.
The periodic table.
Well, there's more than 100 of these elements, perfect in design, which makes them relevant. Flawless and pure in their natural state, they can't be broken down or artificially created.
Created. You meant created.
It's created.
This elemental table's just so wonderful. We made this rhyme, which is non-refundable. All should be fanatical proponents, since the elements are huge exponents. Not only are they important in moments, but also make up matter's components. Matter.
So let's take a moment to appreciate the structure of the table. Big D relates arranging elements by their atomic number. To think otherwise would be a major blunder.
A big old blunder.
Major blunder, reporting for duty.
And just in case you wanted to discover, look up top to find the atomic number. And if you are guessing how to pass, the number at the bottom is atomic mass. Don't mix them up or overpass, cause if you do, you'll fail this class. I mean, not really, but like, don't do it.
I mean, it's definitely not going to help your grade. Letters in the middle are not abbreviations of elemental names. They're just notations, known as symbols in common dictation. The letters stand for chemical designation. Rows are called periods. The columns are groups. The columns share properties, so that's the scoop. These groups have names that you might recall, like the noble gases, the noblest of all. Again, they're just so noble. So much money.
The first 94 all occur organically, naturally, that's just in factually.
I don't think infactually is a word.
It's definitely not a word. H through PU, as a matter of fact, all that follow are kinda abstract, made in a lab by the smartest guys, and the table was set and ready to revise. Let's just take this chunk and put it over here.
No, put it down.
You think over here or down there?
Because science, that's why. Now that you understand the table's humble origins, let's spit some sick rhymes, starting with hydrogen, atomic number 1, lightest and most abundant. We need it to breathe, so it will never be redundant.
Number 2 called helium, and you shouldn't steal helium, this gas from balloons that makes your voice squealium. One of the 7, known as noble gases, it doesn't form bond with the common masses. Nitrogen and oxygen bond to make air. Carbon dioxide and neon yell, we're there!
Hey, we're also
Hi.
here in the air that you breathe. Named after the Titans of Greek mythology, titanium's a staple of elemental geology. Won't corrode in chlorine or underwater. 22 won't say CO when you make it hotter, because it has a relatively high melting point compared to other metals. If you don't get enough iron, you'll be anemic. Sends oxygen through blood to where you most need it. By mass it formed most of Earth's crust and core. 26 is found in meteorites and much, much more.
Lithium metals batteries, power technology. This alkali metal's dangerous in large quantity. Copper turns green under oxidation. If you touch arsenic, you'll need a vacation. You'll be dead. Poisonous.
Yeah, seriously, don't mess with arsenic. That stuff's the worst.
Sodium gnaw dog, that's table salt. Carbon makes up stuff from diamonds to chalk. Gold is GO.
Yeah, it's one of the weird ones.
You're right, it's not yo, it's AU.
Me?
No, it's AU.
Oh.
No, that's oxygen.
Oh, that's oxygen. This is not the full elemental list, but we think by now that you get the gist.
And when it comes time for your chemistry test, that these rhymes will help you be your best. B is in boron.
Nice. Boron's no moron.
We hope by now that you are all able to complete Big D's periodic table.
Big D's periodic table.
Be manned. Dmitri Mendeleev. Sick rhymes, brah. I mean, the table's already complete, but you never know. You could discover a new element. You could change the world.
I'm Dr. Ray Surge. Ray Surge!
Live your dreams.
Oh no, they were ready for this.